Okay, start stream. Up. See if I do this right this time. Okay. Stream's healthy, it's starting. Alright. There we are. Alright, so we're gonna do the 1000 subscriber giveaway, guys. Just decided to do it on live so I could just record it much easier. Alright, how do I do this? Click here. Here. Yeah, dropped. And we go here. Pick our winner. Okay. I don't know how that look. Don't look too bad. Okay, so sorry I had to wait a week to another extra week to do this, guys, but I had to go out of town. I just got back last night, so I pretty much on like 3 hours of sleep, but told y'all I was gonna do this, so give y'all my word. So here we go. First one we're gonna do is for the TNT wire stripper. You know what? We should probably do it backwards. Leave that one for right. Best for last. Start off with the third prize winner. Yeah, we'll do that. Start off with the third prize winner, which is the drill and the bits. So let's pick a winner here. Did it this way so you guys see that I'm not cheating. I'm just kidding. All right, so let's see. Paul Fogle. Paul Fogle. He is our third prize winner. All right. Go ahead and leave you open there. So I message you after the live stream. I'll send you a personal message. Okay. See who's our second prize winner. Gonna be. Oh no, wait, I have that all backward. I'm tripping. So sorry, Paul. You actually won. Oh man, I'm all 8 of them. Sorry, guys. You actually won a pair of pliers and precision kit screwdrivers. So that's what you won, Paul. Sorry about that. All right, second place is the drill and the bits. Okay, let's go. Let's see this. CCDetecting and scrapping. Congratulations. Open you up a different tab. Click on you. Click on you here so people can see your channel. If they want to subscribe to you, watch your videos. I see you have some subscribers there. Paul, he doesn't have any videos. So I think. Oh wait, he has some. Yes, few videos there. CCDetecting. He's been watching me for a while. I watch his videos too. Subscribe to him. There, subscribed. All right. First place is gonna be the TNT wire stripper. Oh, let's. Not gonna be vFallout. Here, congrats on 1K. Here's to 10K. Yeah, I wish. Thanks. Congratulations on your new TNT wire stripper. Oh, I probably should have, but I could go back to the videos or whatever. So and look them up. Okay, so vFallout. Congratulations on your new TNT wire stripper. I hope you oh look, random videos. Maybe some scrapping in the future. Well, there you go. Uh, Start making scrapping videos. That I'm not subscribed to him. I can't even click on any. So I'll be sending all three of you guys a message and letting y'all know on what prizes y'all won. Thanks again, guys, for all your support. I really appreciate it. Couldn't do it without you guys, so thanks again. I hope you guys enjoy y'all's new prizes. And like I said, I'll send y'all a message here in a little bit. What do you call it? And let y'all know what y'all won. Um, I guess I'll give you 24 hours to reply to me. The you want the prize, or if you don't want it, want to give it up to somebody else, and we'll read another video. But usually people take the prize. So, alright, guys. Well, anyways, short video. Just wanted to do the giveaway. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep on scrapping.